Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this figure in AutoCAD. I'm going to start creating a line connecting these three centers. Okay, let's start. Line. The size would be 6.56, 6.56, another line 6.56, and then in the middle, it's 2.19 plus 1.25. $2.19 and then 1.25. There you go. We have found the three centers now. Going to create circles. Radius is 0.94. Another circle radius 2.19. And then circle here also. Radius is 1.25. And then another one is 2.5. There you go. I just need to copy this two circles. Copy. Enter. Okay, and then I'm going to create line. Two lines actually. On the side. And then another line below. Then I'm going to create two circles here. Midpoint. One radius 2 and the other one radius 2.5. There you go. The rest I'm going to trim. Okay, TR, enter. Remove this. Explosion. Okay, I'm trimming now. I'm going to remove this also. Then I'm going to create a line here, perpendicular to this. Create a line here, perpendicular to this line. Trim again. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.